businesses in your company, in your solution?
Sure. So I'm logged into a different test system that I use, and what I would do is assign your customers to specific warehouses. And the way you do that is you can make warehouses, so you can have as many warehouses as you need. The example you used was like warehouse A. Warehouse, add a new. Sorry. Warehouse B. Come on, Ben. Warehouse C. Okay, so I just made those 3 warehouses. Okay?
Yeah.
Warehouse A, B, and C. So what you can do is create users in here. And you can assign them to the warehouse. Okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to make you an admin for starters. It's simpler. So if I log out and I log in as Amara A, the only warehouse they see is theirs, okay?
Okay.
So again, if I log out and I log back in as an admin or you, I see all of the warehouses, okay?
Okay.
So I can go and make another warehouse. Warehouse A1, or let's call it A2. And then if I go to the system users,
yeah,
and I look for Mara, and I go in and I edit this user,
yeah,
and now I give that user access to A2,
yeah,
and I log out and I log back in as Amara A.
yeah.
Oh, hold on, I thought it saved it. Now when I look at the warehouses, I see A and A2, okay?
Okay.
And you can do the same thing with parts. So now I'm going to log back in as the administrator. If you click on this item ID, it shows you which warehouses those parts are associated with.
Okay. That means when creating users, you should define to which warehouse they should have access and work in within.
Right. And then you can also associate which parts are associated with those warehouses. So now if I put that part... Can you hold on just a sec?
Yeah, okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, just the grass.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, I got interrupted for a second there. So,
Okay.
so you can assign the items to specific warehouses. The check mark means they're going to show up, and the if they're unchecked, they won't show up. So now I just put that one part in those two warehouses that I just.
Okay.
Now,
That means
now,
that means without any restriction, all the stock items will be visible within all the warehouses. Yes. Without restriction, normally all the stock items are visible or available within all the warehouses. That is the configuration. Yes.
well, we have under here we have admin options, and I believe it's a system. See this option here?
Okay.
Restrict new parts from all warehouses.
Okay.
So when you make a new part,
Yeah.
it's going to be restricted. It's not going to show up in everybody's warehouse. You're going to have to go in and manually say which warehouses it's in.
Okay. Good. Now I can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
And what about this one? Restrict new parts from all warehouse on your right, on the same line on your right, in your, let's say, warehouse link. What is the idea behind this? Yeah. What does this mean?
Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know.
I think when you click this one, normally that means there will not be linked between warehouses. That we make warehousing independent. Please check this one and let me know.
I believe here. Let me see if I can conference Zach.
Yeah, please have a look at this one and let me know about this one, this option.
Yeah, hold on.
Because what I'm looking for is confidentiality. I have different clients. I don't want a client to be having access to the system of another client. I'm looking for confidentiality, separate warehousing system.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So please check this one and let me know if here we click on this one, that means warehouses are different. If yes, I'm very happy with that.
Well, they're different. I'm pretty sure they're different already. But hold on, I'll even put you on the email.
Okay. Please do that. So that is one. So I think having admin access, that means we have access to everything. You can create a restriction. You can do everything, and we have access to all the warehouses. But a single or normal user, we have access to one or two different warehouses, not all the warehouses. This is also good.
Correct.
Yeah, this is also good. Yeah. This is good. Anyway, what I'm looking for is the confidentiality of data, different client, different basis. So I think at this level, I think the system can do what I'm looking for.
Right.
The only thing you should do for me now is to check this one and your warehouse links. Please check and let me know about what does this mean.
Sure.
Yeah.
I already sent the email out. So.
Yeah.
Just have to.
Okay. I'm on. Yeah. So let's have a look at the answer, and after we have a last discussion.
Okay.
The very last discussion will be about prices. I think your prices are very high compared to the market. Your solution is very good, but I think these prices are very, very high for me. Anyway, I will make sure the system is pretty good, and after we will start price discussion.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. We just waiting for the answer, and after I will send you an invitation. We'll have a final discussion, please.
Okay, great. Sounds good.
Yeah.
So
thank
let
you,
me.
Ben. Thank you.
One more
Yeah.
question. Do you go by Kamara or Amara? What do you?
Amara is my surname, and Kamara will be the family name.
Okay. Okay, great. Just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, Amara is my. You can say Amara. That's good.
All right. Thanks, Amara.
Thank you, Ben.
All right. Bye.
Sur le débat ce mois-ci, il faut qu'on regarde les effets. Non, rien.